Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Infotech, the channel where we explore the cool inventions you should see. Today, we've got an incredible lineup of inventions that you absolutely need to see. From cutting-edge medical devices to mind-controlled scooters, we've got it all covered. So buckle up, because we're diving right into the world of innovation. Contact. Let's kick things off with Contact, a device designed to quickly diagnose concussions in under 10 seconds. The process is remarkably simple. The device shines light into the eye and measures factors like pupil size and how fast the pupil reacts. These measurements are then compared to a standard baseline, making it easy to determine if a concussion has occurred. It outperforms the traditional method of following the doctor's moving finger with your eyes, making it an excellent tool for rapidly identifying injuries in athletes. Plus, there are plans to develop a dedicated app to analyze the device's data and provide recommendations for the next steps. Talk about a game changer in sports medicine. Protect-A-Bee. Now let's talk about a game-changing discovery, Protect-A-Bee. Initially designed for bee vectorization, it has proven to be incredibly versatile. By placing dispensers containing beneficial fungus on beehives, it not only boosts crop yields, but also helps bees defend their hives, deters predators like skunks, and regulates bee traffic. Additionally, it simplifies beekeeping by protecting against diseases. It's a fascinating example of how innovation can arise from unexpected places and have far-reaching benefits. H2 Fly High 4. Now let's soar into the skies with the H2 Fly High 4. The world's first four-seat airplane powered by liquid hydrogen. Not only is this a groundbreaking achievement, but its creators also made history by taking a hydrogen airplane to an altitude of over 2,200 meters. They even completed a successful 124-kilometer flight between two airports. With plans for a 40-seat passenger airplane that can travel up to 2,000 kilometers, hydrogen aviation is on the horizon. And don't forget, liquid hydrogen is nearly 3 times more energy efficient than jet fuel, making this a promising step towards greener aviation. AscentoGuard. Moving on to AscentoGuard. This cute little robot is more than just adorable. It's a security guard designed to patrol large areas with ease. Thanks to its special wheel suspension system, it can navigate various terrains, from warehouses to forests, at a speed of around 4.5 kilometers per hour. Equipped with a thermal imager, infrared camera, speakers, and a microphone, it can detect trespassers and even communicate with them. And the best part, it relies on artificial intelligence to generate detailed reports on its activities. The future of security is looking pretty robotic. AC Air. Let's stay in the aviation realm for a moment with AC Air, the world's first patented remote-controlled aircraft tugs. These compact yet powerful tugs make towing aircraft a breeze, even in adverse weather conditions and tight spaces. With the ability to effortlessly tow aircraft weighing up to 9.5 tons, these tugs are a game-changer for ground operations at airports. They even offer versions designed for helicopters, making them a versatile solution for the aviation industry. No more struggling with ground maneuvers. It's all in the hands of these high-tech tugs. Collec'Thor. Now let's turn our attention to the oceans and the growing problem of plastic waste. Collec'Thor offers a solution to clean up at least some of the garbage from the surface of our water bodies. This system can be installed at marinas and waterfronts, processing 32,000 liters of water per hour and effectively removing solid and liquid waste. It's even capable of capturing tiny microplastic particles as small as 3 millimeters. With the potential to hold up to 100 kilograms of debris, it's a vital step towards cleaning up our oceans. Colorpic Pen. Speaking of precision, let's talk about the Colorpic Pen. This nifty gadget brings advanced scanning technology to everyday consumers. With a built-in scanner, you can identify and replicate colors with ease. Just place it on a surface, and it provides the exact color and the RGB color model. It works on touchscreens and paper alike, making it a handy tool for artists and designers. Plus, it even offers quick color transfers to software like CorelDRAW and Photoshop. For a price of $160, it's a creative powerhouse in the palm of your hand. Mobile Solar Container. Shifting gears, let's talk about the mobile solar container. The United Nations predicts that by 2030, around 670 million people will still lack access to electricity. That's where innovations like this come into play. With just one person's effort, this container can transform into a fully functional solar power plant in under half an hour. It can accommodate up to 180 solar panels, resulting in a peak power output of 75 kilowatts. The best part? Its standard 6-meter container size minimizes transportation hassles, making it an accessible solution for remote areas. Absolute Scanner has 1XL. On the subject of precision, let's delve into the Absolute Scanner as 1XL. This laser scanner's modular design sets it apart. It was even used to scan the Oracle Red Bull Racing Team's car, showcasing its versatility. Whether using a portable manipulator or a large laser tracking system, this scanner's scanning error remains minimal, even from a distance of about 30 meters. Thanks to the Shine system, it remains effective on various materials and finishes. A game changer in industries that require pinpoint accuracy. Digitsole Smart Shoe. Stepping away from the sky, let's focus on our feet with the Digitsole Smart Shoe. If you lead a mostly inactive lifestyle, aiming for up to 3,000 daily steps is essential, but tracking those steps and preventing fatigue can be a challenge. That's where these sneakers come in. They not only collect your walking data, but also analyze it and present it in an app. Say goodbye to shoelaces because these sneakers also keep your feet warm with built-in heating. Priced starting at $200, they're a high-tech step towards healthier living. Think Vision 27 3D. Now, let's switch gears to the world of displays with the ThinkVision 27 3D monitor by Lenovo. This monitor takes 3D visuals to the next level, allowing you to experience them without the need for glasses or headgear. While it offers a remarkable 3D experience, keep in mind that its performance depends on your position, ideal distance, and viewing angle. Set to be available for purchase in January with a price tag of $3,000. It's a unique addition to the world of displays. Hexapod robots. Ever dreamt of having your very own spider robot? Well, with the Hexapod Robots Kit, you can make that dream a reality. These robots, inspired by the world of arachnids, are both customizable and versatile. From autonomous navigation through mazes to tackling obstacles, they are designed for both recreational and practical use. You can even control them remotely with streaming video transmission. The possibilities are endless, from educational projects to testing advanced algorithms. And who knows, maybe one day you can even take a ride on your very own robot spider, Serpent. Let's navigate our way to flood-prone regions with Serpent. As global flood-affected populations continue to rise, innovations like this are essential. Serpent is designed to rapidly deploy inflatable barriers that can protect entire neighborhoods from floodwaters. With its ability to inflate in under 5 minutes and its straightforward setup, it's a crucial tool in disaster preparedness. It's not just limited to deserts, it can be a lifeline in various natural disaster scenarios. Neary. Now let's talk about Neary, a fascinating collaboration between a scooter rental company and a biotech company. What do you get when you merge these two worlds? The world's first mind-controlled scooter. This incredible innovation works by reading data from the rider's brain, specifically electroencephalogram signals, and adjusting the scooter's speed based on the rider's focus level. The more focused you are, the faster you can go. While it's still in the experimental stage, the potential for this technology to revolutionize personal transportation is mind-blowing. Winch Ground Anchor. Finally, let's wrap up with the Winch Ground Anchor. Imagine being stuck in the middle of nowhere, whether it's a desert or a dense forest. This anchor, capable of pulling a hefty 5.5 tons, can come to your rescue. It's easy to set up even if you're alone, making it a must-have for off-road enthusiasts. Whether you're facing sand or tough terrain, this anchor has got your back. And there you have it, folks, an exciting lineup of cool inventions that are changing the way we live, work, and explore. From mind-controlled scooters to robots inspired by nature, the world of technology never ceases to amaze us. If you enjoyed this journey through innovation, be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to Infotech for more exciting tech updates. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Stay tech savvy.